Today we celebrate the Epiphany of the Lord. Tishta chaka cha Epifania wa Ambuye Yesu. Epifania wa Ambuye Yesu. Epifania wa Ambuye Yesu usimikizira Ambuye Yesu kuzaziululira iye mwini ngati mulungu osati wa anthu owerengeka chabe koma ngati mulungu wa anthu onse, mulungu wa munthu aliyense, ngakhale Akenani komanso Ayuda. Epiphania, it is simply the revelation, the appearance, the manifestation, Jesus Christ manifesting himself as God, not only of the wise men, the Magi, no, but of everyone, of each one of us. Mulungu waife tonse. So the three wise men, they are just a representation, or rather representatives of all of us. Kuti Ambuye Mulungu ni Mulungu wa onse. Nchifukwa chache aonekera kwa ndani the three wise men, anthu amene iwo sanali Ayuda, Akenani, anthu amene iwo Ayuda sana wawerengere kukhalanso anthu iyayi, kuti nawonso angakhale ana a Ambuye Mulungu. Ndiye amene anachita bwanji, ndiye kwa amene anakazionekera kupatula Ayuda iwo. Just simply to show that we are all one. He is also the God of the Canaanites. Ni mulungu wa Ayuda komanso Akenani, the Canaanites, the Gentiles. This is tuona pa tsiku ya leo. So the word Epiphania, or rather Epiphany, simply means kuziulula, to manifest, to appear. Pachiyambi feast ya Epiphany inali kushtiwa na anzatu mapagans achikunja. Iyo anasangalala the movement from darkness to light. Chikwa anali kwenda mumdima, anali anthu a mumdima. So pamene achoka mumdima ambokhulupirira mwa Ambuye, anachita chaka cha Epiphany, anali kusangalala kuchoka kwawo mumdima kwenda mkuwala, chifukwa sopano aona kuwala kwamene ali Ambuye Yesu, amene uyo ali mumenja muja. Aona kuwala, sono asangalala, tinali kutaya nthawi mumdima kansi kuli kuwala. Asangalala, anachita chaka cha Epiphania, kuthandauzira kuti achoka mumdima sopano. Now they are moving from kuchoka the movement from darkness to light. Koma ife sopano ngati a Kristu tinatengerako sopano, just celebrating from darkness to light. Ife sopano tichita chaka cha iye Ambuye Yesu aziululira ngati mulungu wa anthu onse, ngati mulungu wa anthu onse. Nchifukwa chache pa tsiku ya lero amene atisogolera m'misa yathu ni wa Holy Childhood, wana ang'ono, kuti aziululire what they are capable of doing. I'm sure already up to now tiona kuti akasi ndiye zamene ana athu they are capable of doing, ndiye zamene bangachite bana bathu. I'm sure we have seen already. They have reviewed already themselves. In actual sense, wa Holy Childhood timakamba kuti chani? Holy Childhood,
children helping children.
Holy Childhood,
Children helping children.
Holy Childhood, children helping children. Children helping the other children, not vana kuthandiza vakulu, koma vana kuthandiza vana vanzao. But for today, vana vathandiza ndani? Vakulu pa siku ya lero vatithandiza kuchita bwanji? Kuwaziwa kuti they are capable of doing something. They are not just vana and they are useless, they can do nothing. Kulibe zimene vangachite. They have a space in the church, vali ndi malo yao mumpingo, and they are capable of doing something. And you can see what they are doing already. Vaimba batisogolera mu misa, they are able to sing proper nice singing. Batiyimbira tipemphera buno bwino. You can see how they were doing the hallelujah in fashion. Ife bena bakulu olokupunzisani bena simu za kwanisa yayi. Bakulu bena ni oyumamitu. Olo muyese bwanji kwapunzisa zero sibaza vikwanisa vamenewezi oshitabana hapa iya. But the children are there to review themselves what they are capable of doing, that we can also sing. Na ife tingashite bwanji tingaimbe musazimeka iya bakulu iya poimba. Chifukwa ngati mwameka tingabatenge bana uti bwerani bana banga bwerani muimbe, they are able to sing. They are able to sing. Palibe chigayo wose tazimverera kuti bayimba bana sichoncho. Kuli amene sana mvere tabaona bana babwera batiberengera mawu pano sichoncho. Kuli amene sana baone bana kuti bakwanisa kubereka. Ngati kuli amene ezokusira ni chikaya chabe ungakusire bana bakupunzisani. Today Jesus Christ reveals himself through the children. They are revealing themselves to each one of us. Kwa ife tonse ambuye Yesu anazionesera kwa akenani the Gentiles. Kuzionesera kwa ambuye Yesu kunalikuwa kuti bachosepo udani wamene unali pakati pa the Gentiles na Ayuda. Kuti baziwe kuti ndife anthu angati amozi. So now, instead of kuonekera kuli Bayuda amene banali kuona munga ndiye chabe bana bambuye Mulungu, anaonekera kuli ma foreigners, the wise men, 3 wise men, the foreigners amene muja mulandi sinali mwawo iyayi ndiye kwa amene anakaonekera. Kutandauza kuti ndife anthu amozi. Kutisimikizira kuti imwe na ine ife tonse ndife anthu amozi. Kulibe kuti awe uyu kaini bapa mwamba awa ni osauka. The 3 wise men were not rich people. Ndiye kwa amene anakaonekera ambuye Yesu. Ndiye kwa amene anaonekera ambuye Yesu. Kutitana imwe na ine kuti na ifenso tikhale anthu amozi tisevenzere pamozi. This time you find the people fighting over politics. No ujani wandani. Oh ujani wachipanichija. No inuauku. Politics are just politics. But we are one. We belong to one God. Mulungu mmozi, tate watu mmozi. All of us have to be one. Tosefe tikale anthu amozi. Tosefe tikale anthu amozi. Tikayangana buno bwino. Tizaona kuti pamene ambuye atiululira through the 3 wise men. Vantu angati atatu, the 3 wise men. From these 3 wise men, chamini wanali kulondola anthu anzeru akumawa batatu ni chani? Nyenyezi. Si choncho? Wanalondola chani? Nyenyezi. Wanali kuona nyenyezi. They studied nyenyezi. Wanaiswata, wanaistada nyenyezi. Wanali kuiziwa bwino andweze kuziwa kuti Ayuda anali kuyembekezera ndani mpulumusi amene anali kubwera. They knew. Pamene wanaona nyenyezi wanaziva kuti kwamene uko atibadwira mpulumusi olonjezedwa uja. Wanamba kuilondola nyenyezi. Ambuye Mulungu nochenjera sanasevenzese chintu chamene sibaziba, anasevenzesa nyenyezi yamene iwo anali kuizivisisa. They used a familiar imagery of nyenyezi, the stars. These 3 wise men, they knew the stars very well. Wana stada nyenyezi bwino, and that is what they used kuti bachite bwanji bachite locate kwa amene anali ambuye Yesu. The 3 wise men, they were called through nyenyezi. Nyenyezi chabe. Pakulondola nyenyezi, wanakafika mpaka pamene panali ambuye Yesu. Nanga imwe na ine pasiku ya lero. Kodi ambuye atitana mjira yotani, what is he using to call us? Tosefe ndipo itanidwa, sichoncho? Aliyense mwaife ambuye Mulungu ama muitana siku iliyonse nthawi iliyonse tima itanidwa. Kodi tima simikizira kuti ambuye Yesu ambuye mulungu ali kusevenzesa chiyani kutiitana kuti tifike pafupi naye? What does he use to call you to call me? Asevenzesa chiyani? What can we say ambuye mulungu asevenzesa pasiku ya lero? The three wise men vanasevenzesa chani? Nyenyezi. He used nyenyezi. Nanga kwa imwe 9 asevenzesa chani pasiku ya lero pakutiitana? Asevenzesa chani? If we say today, siku ya lelo, what can we say ambuye mulungu akusevenzesa kutiitana ife kuti tikhale pafupi naye? What is using? Vana vatu sichoncho. Our children. Vana vali vatu ndi amene asevenzesa kutiitana. He is using our own children, vana amene vachoka m'manyumba mwathu ndi amene asevenzesa kutilalikira ife kuti tifike pafupi na ambuye mulungu. He is not using anything else. Vana vali vatu vachoka m'manyumba mwathu sichoncho. Vana wobalateka. Today they are preaching to us. Vatiimbira. Singing, it is preaching. They are singing for us. Vativerengera mau. Potera vazatipasa kapena ni poem chani kutipunzisa still. Using our own children, God is calling us to come closer to himself. Vana vali vatu. Noti vakutali, vana vali vatu. Ambuye mulungu atiitana. Sometimes we do not realize the potential that is in our children. Sometimes tumamaona potential amene ili mwana vatu anzamene vana vatu vachita bwanji vangatipunzise that there is something we can learn from our own children. Nthawi zina sitimachita realize makola banda alongo kuti pali something chamene tingaphunzire kuchokera kuli vana vatu. Today we have to learn something that ambuye mulungu ngasevenzese ngakhale vana vatu ava kutiwululira za chisisi chake. These are our own children. Today they can be our own missionaries kutipunzisa ife to preach the gospel to us. Vana vatu today they are the stars teaching us, directing us kwamene kuli ambuye Yesu. Vana vali vatu they are the stars today. The three wise men wanalondola nyenyezi mpaka kufika pali ambuye Yesu. Ife pasiku ya lero tulondola vana vali vatu ndiye nyenyezi yatu yamene iti peleka kwamene kuli ambuye Yesu. They are revealing themselves. Jesus Christ revealed himself. Today he is revealing himself through our own children. Our own children. Zimveka makola baenda along. There is something that we can learn from our own children. There is something that we can learn from our own children. Vana vali vatu. Your own children. And so maoyamba kuti iwe Yerusalemu zuka wala kwako kwayamba. Ulemelero wachauta wakuwalira. Imwe makola banda longo akuti ulemelero wa ambuye mulungu watiwalira. Tientiuke zuka. Aliyense amene iye ali mu mdima, amene iye ali kugona, ambuye mulungu akuti iwe Yerusalemu zuka wala kwako kwayamba. Ulemelero wachauta wakuwalira. Ino amene mukali mu mdima, amene simuona, simuziva, kapena simuzindikira kuti muli potential mu vana vatu. There is something that we can learn kwa vana vatu. Wake up. Ukani. There is something that you can learn from your own children. Vana vali vanu kutoka mnyumba mwanu. You know, nowadays, more especially with this technology, you find that sometimes even if mafoni, muzapeza ati mwana aziva kuchita operate phone ili yanu bwino kuchira imwe angakupunziseni so bwino. If you give them chance to ask kuti mwana wanga nanga ichi vachita bwanji omwagula phone yanyowani, ask them kukupunzisani. They will teach you better than you know yourself. These children, they are knowledgeable. Ava vana valina nzeru. Ava vana niwodalisidwa na ambuye mulungu. Ava vana, we can learn something from them. Wake up. Ukani makola banda longo. Imwe amene mukali mutulo, amene muona munga kulibeza, amene munga punzireko kuli vana. Wake up. Nthawi ni sopano. akuti imwe anthu aku St. John kukabanana ukani ndimwe Yerusalemu amene Ambuye Mulungu akamba. Ambuye akuti iwe Yerusalemu zuka, iwe kabanana uka, imwe anthu aku kabanana ukani, ngati simunaonemo zabwino muli vana vanu, ngati simuziwa kuti kuli zimene mungaphunzireko ku vana vanu, wake up. There is something we can learn from our own children. Today the children are teaching us that there is something we can learn from them. There is something we can learn from them. Venangu timaziwa chabe kuchita bwanji kuwachita abuse vana. Instead of tiphunzireko, we just know how to abuse these children. We abuse them. We abuse these children at times. We fail to learn something from them. Instead, we abuse them. Do not abuse these little ones, these angels. These my angels. Do not abuse them. Osa wachita abuse vana iyayi vakali vana ngakhale tingaphunzireko zina zache kwa iwo. They are still young. They are our children. Let us not abuse them. When you look at some of them, very young, ni vana koma vaoneka munga ni vakulu. They are still young. Osa wachita abuse iyayi. When I look around, when you look at them, Uyo, number 3, 1, 2, 3, come. Come, yes, come. I'm looking for a boy. A boy. A boy. A boy. Okay. When you look at this, okay, yeah, you can stand here. Face this side. Someone to give me the microphone there. Stand, come. She is blessing. When you look at blessings, Mama Yangana, Mamona, blessings. She is 8 years. Mamona, 8 years. But Mamona Nimfana, 8 years. But she's able to sing there, okay? But some of you, instead of learning from these children, we abuse them. John is 13. 13 is the holy childhood. Below 15 is holy childhood. He is still young, but tall. She is a corner. Look at the two. Look at the two. Waminaoneka mkulu ndiuti. Bali wawili abakazi waminaoneka mkulu ndiuti. Blessings, right? But when you look at blessings, she's 8 years. Ekoni, she is 9 years. You have seen, right? So sometimes we abuse these children looking at the way they look. Muvili chake mkaona, mwana mungani mkulu, muwashita abuse. Especially mkaona na kuwazua kwa kutoka. Mwana munga kakuna ni wakulu, mwamba muwashita abuse. When you abuse these young ones, wazaku mangani. Eo kukakwela ukiwa abambo, sorry, nipe mkako, naita abuse kamana, mani wafuna kunimangisa. As long as the family have said, wafuna kumangisa, I have no voice. Wafuni kache kumangisa. Chifukwa nikakamba kuti iyai musamumangise, wakabwera wamene wali in charge na vanava vakabwera kuti Father, you have been reported kuti gender-based violence. You have been reported kuti ndime muchita chani, promote chani, gender-based violence. Avavana vanashuwa abuse koma nonalesa kuti uyo akukasha kwanji asamangiwe. Simple. Vakamange ine chifukwa cha uzee wako. Aba bana tibasamalire, aba bana tibasamalire. They are still young. As much as they can do better, they can do most of the things. Even kuchito chale manyumba osa bashika akusi ya ina kuchito ya uzapeza mwana mukuna ndiye omene apyake nyumba asike mambale asike bwanji ushamai atati banakwatira mwana imwe bena mwe baulesi makolo imwe makolo bena mwe baulesi unless ulichape mpale kwa jabana ndio mkuna katika chini. Do not abuse this, my ladies. Treat them well. Basuye kuino bana. Simple, right? It is the only thing that we can speak for these little ones. We see the little baba bile kwa baba, tulipoiso zile kwa Samaria baba. Tie basuye kuino baba. Ni wana watu, we can learn something from them, but do not abuse them. Sampai kan? Ulipa bisa sampai kan? Thank you, my angels. Go and sit. We clap for them. You know why you are clapping for them? It is not easy to start here, but when I come to go with you, all of our when I'm about so situation, I'm about to shake it. One when I'm really a paper, so I'm about to shake it. Mwanga kapela mtu anachani shimashani. It's not easy. That's why they are very innocent. Do not abuse them. They are innocent angels. Do not abuse them. My dear parents, brothers and sisters, today we celebrate Epiphany. Epiphany, when God reveals himself to each one of us. As I end my homily, I urge you, my dear parents, be role models to these little ones. Be role models to these little ones. Tientikale opeleka chisanzo cha bwino kwa bana batu. Noti fakulu tishite munga ndipe bana manyumba yayi. Tientipeleke chisanzo cha bwino kwa bana aba. There is one testimony that I will never forget. I'm sure I've already shared with you, but I'll share with you again. Kuli siku inangu pamene nali kufunsa vana wa Holy Childhood at one parish when I was just a seminarian. Kuti imwe vana makolo ni vandani? Vana wanakamba kuti mulungu wa chiviri. Vena vanayankha mayankho yosiyana, but one child said, "Wa brother, makolo venangu siwayenera kuvaitana mulungu wa chiviri. Makolo venangu siwayenera kuvaitana chani mulungu wa chiviri. Kamba kochita bwanji zochitika zawo. Vafadha makolo venangu vamanyoza, makolo venangu vamatukana, makolo venangu vafadha siwaoneka kuti makolo siwapasa chisanzo. Vana ndiye amene vachita behave monga ndiye makolo mumanyumba mwina. A child, a holy childhood. Mwana akamba mawu yotera kuti makolo venangu siwayenera kuvaitana chani makolo kapena kuti mulungu wa chiviri. Imwe amayi mwakhalapo, imwe atati mwakhalapo, imwe ambuya mwakhalapo, kodi ndimwe kolo, ndimwe mulungu wa chiviri? Atota mwana. Atota, very innocent. Ndimwe mulungu wa chiviri? Are you behaving like a parent? Are you giving good example to these little ones? Kuti tipasa chisanzo cha bwino kwa vana vatu. Zimveka? Tiye tipeleke chisanzo cha bwino kwa vana vatu. Na ife my brothers, my sisters, pamene tikula, kukula simusinkho chabeya. Nzeri. Kukula simusinkho chabe. Koma chani nzeri. Mwaona mwamini balile abana. Aba bana batipasa chisanzo cha bwino. Wakula bwino. Na ife tiye twapase chisanzo cha bwino. Tiye twapase chisanzo cha bwino. Vana kuwapunzisa kwenda kuchechi, vana kuwapunzisa kwenda kuchechi, vana kuwapunzisa kuwerenga Bible, vana kuwapunzisa kuchita zinchito zokulupirika. Noti vana wakazikulira chabe mmanja mwa wakawalala iyayi kuti nawo wakakhale wakawalala. Vana wakazikulira chabe mmanyumba mophwanyika kuti amayi na chidakwa, kukacha chabe amayi ni ntchito ni mowa, atate ntchito ni mowa. Vana wazapunzira motani? Azapunzira zintchito za bwanji. Let us be good missionaries to our children, just like they are good missionaries to us. Batipunzisa lero, batikulisa mu uzimu. Na ifenso tiye tupatanize. I am, you are, we are missionaries. I am, you are, we are missionaries. I am a missionary. You are a missionary. We are missionaries. Just like our children are missionaries to you, be missionaries, good missionaries, role models to them. Imwamini musunga vana vanu mu nyumba munga mazira. Simukumbira sote kwa vana vanzani. Simukumbira vana vanzani. Chifukwa venangu apaso tukayangana mwakana vana vanu mumabenji. Instead vana wakalimu vana vanzao mulina vana vanu mumabenji. I'm not ashamed to tell you. Ngati mumvera nsoni, mumvere nsoni kuti muchinje. You are sitting with your own children because it is a rebellion. The receipt ya vana wali hapa valia. Iwe mulina vana vanu mumabenji. Why? So are you being a role model to them? These are letters you are seeing. These are letters well dedicated. You can see how dedicated they are. It is not easy to teach this because it is not easy. Vana vanzanga vapunzira vakulangata Kristu imwe vanhu vari kumanyumba lero mabwera nawo mukhala mumabenchi nawo vazakapunzira chiti Kristu. Wesi kumanyumba mulibe na nthawi yotenga chabe kuti Bible muverenge nawo, mulibe na nthawi ya vana iya. Manje vanzani kuti vakuphunzitsireni vana vanu muwasunga mumanyumba mwanu sikuti mabweze kwa nanzani. Vazakapunzira chiti be a role model. Imwe vena kuti mpezeke mno mchechi lo mkazikonda kuchechi because you are a good foundation. Kutoka ku makolo vanu vanakukulisani bwino makolo vanu, vanakuzibisani chikristu wa makolo vanu. Na inuso vana vanu vakuliseni chikristu. Zimveka makolo, especially makolo vamenesunga vanu mukalisira kuti izafanyika. Munga mamela kandi ya kutarajo kumachaji kuti vazasowa vena ndiye na yangu munga pasi sochani kuti vana vazasowa vana vanzanu ndiye mulisi vazasowa vanu vazasowa vanu vazasowa vanu mfuna kusunga manyumba vasiye ni vana wakule wa Kristo. And sometimes vana venangu they would want to go to church, they would want to go to church koma imwe chabe azanivuta. Ambie Yesu anakamba kuti bwanji, let the little ones come to me. Pamene ma disciples weze kushika bwanji wabweza vana. Hii anakamba kuti bwanji, let the little ones come to me. Matthew chapter 9 verse 14. Let the little ones come to me. Vasiye ni vana vangono wabwele kwa ndani kwa ini. I don't care. Ega wapange chongo mchechi wachite bwanji ndiye uwana wamene uyo. But wakula mwache Kristu. One day wazakakala Kristu kuchira imwena. Mukawasunga kumanyumba kwanu sivazaziwa kuti mchechi nukukala zi. Ndiye waja kutolo wakula kaiwana misi na ka stage uzapeza lo wakula wali mchechi basi njito ni tonjo wali mchechi wambila tonjo kunyumba mpaka mchechi wango upanga chongo chabi because wanakula chani wanakulila kunyumba sivaziwa kuti mchechi siwapanga chongo. Wasiye ni wapangie tuchongo manje kamile wakula wazasa wana mwimba ingia manifesta zai. You have seen, they are controlling them. They are controlling them. Wakaona uyaka kachongo wakupunguza. Ndiye mwamini walili bana wakupunguza. Here is in the church. You don't make noise. So chame wazi wawaenda wasta panji wakula wana washikwe. Mwenda kinwasi wakunyo. Siwaza kuzi. Siyani bana bakule wachikristo. Ambieso nakamba kuti siyani bana wangono wachite bwanji babwele kwa ine. Let them come to church. Timapemphera umo. And I just feel good to see the little ones, the way they sing. Mwamene baimbira, aba bana na kutula andi kuno mwapusa nzeru zabwino. Bana batula kuchira imwe bakuru ba. Muja mchechi. Aba bana aba bamatula uzapeza babwera unga bagi ya unga bamatula umo banyamula unga benangu simukwanisa kula bagi ya unga kwotula. But ababana bakulima families yena ngo amiwazi wa Kristo sabe katule kwamba waleta baba kuza kwambie Yesu siwaenda manja ukatule bamatula umo mu church kuchira imwe bakulu wena ija siku no andani watu wena na pachani ni feast bwanjija kuno kwezeli dembuzi kuja wanatula mbuzi huko kushelipoza hai manmeka zipoza Kristo Bwana. Christ the King. Kristo mfumu. Kuna kwezele mbuzi bana wanatoa mbuzi huko. Hawa bana walibana watoka manyumba bwana. They can do wonders. They can do wonders and we can learn something from them. Tien tuone kuti wana watu wafike pafupi na ambuye Mulungu tien tuwapunzise nzeru zabwino makamaka kukonda ambuye Mulungu. Tisawachite abuse tuwasamalire ndipo tuone kuti wanava wakula mwa Chikristo. Leo ni siku yao tieni tuone kuti asangalale bana pa siku yao. Ndipo zimene batipunzisa zimene tapunzirako zikhale kuti mumutu zisale naife kuti zonadi aba bana bafunika kuwapasa ulemu bafunika kuwasunga bwino. They are good children. We can learn something from them. Batiululira mwamene ambuye Yesu aziululira kwa the Gentiles nawonso baziululira kwa ife ndiye manyenyezi yathu na ife tikhale chani manyenyezi yawo. Iwo bakazikonga mapazi yathu pamene tipunzirako zeo zabwino na ife muzo sometimes makolo olo mwana olo mwamene lilina uzapeza kuti kwa imwe sometimes napunzirako something but I'll be ashamed kukamba kuti akoma I've learned something new from you. But mumtima niziwa kuti ichi sinali kuziva iya napunzira kuli yawo pamene bali ba Kristo ine ndine bambo. Sometimes we can learn something from our children. We won't appreciate them that they have done well. Sometimes let us learn to appreciate these our little ones. Say, my child, you have done well done. Congratulations. We are boosting up their morale and they'll grow up good children like that. My little angels, clap for yourself. You are good children. Thank you. Manje ni makolo tuwatoteleko bana. Thank you. Ziko makwambili. May the good Lord continue to bless each one of us and bless his word. Amen.